What's up mga parts? Another day, another vlog, or another night, another vlog. This is Bierong Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For tonight's video mga parts, we are going on a luxury dinner cruise here at Icon Siam or here in Bangkok. And ngayon nga mga parts ay nag-book kami ng dinner buffet on a luxury cruise here at the river in front of Icon Siam. Mga parts, yun yung the best luxury dinner cruise here in Bangkok, yung Opulence. And you should check that out. Nag-book lang kami sa Klook. And for today's video, for tonight, samahan nyo kami explore ang dinner buffet, ano yung pwede nyong ma-expect, magkano ba siya, ano yung mga instruction na kailangan nyong gawin. And of course, mga parts, i-enjoy natin ang sight, seeing and view of the river and of course, yung city lights dito sa Bangkok. Kasi yesterday or last night mga parts, na experience naman natin yung night market, Chinatown at yung pinakabagong night market dito sa Bangkok. Pag hindi mo pa yan napanood mga parts, i-check mo yan sa aking YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment down below mga parts. Huwag pa may mga questions pa kayo. And please follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, also at Bierong Bong. So without further ado mga parts, let's go. Let's ride the Opulence here in Bangkok. Let's go mga parts!
Dos, tres.
So mga parts, ito yung papunta ng Icon Siam Pier 1. Kasi mga parts, yung registration for the cruise dinner ng Opulence is here at Pier 1. So marami dito na cruise. So yan, ito na siya. Opulence tayo. Meron ditong Noah Cruise, Meridian, and Chao Phraya Princess tayo, Opulence. Let's go. So, you need to register. Nag-book lang kami sa Klook. So, eto na siya. Pier 1 to, may Pier 2 doon, may Pier 3. Ayan yung Icon Siam or Icon Siam. Yay! Hindi pa namin yung na-explore but we're planning to have one. Explore natin yan. So mga parts, we're done with our registration. Mga parts, agahan nyo kasi yung seat ay nilalagay na yun, ina-assign na yun. And then, pagka-register nyo, bibigyan kayo ng ticket, bibigyan din kayo ng sticker, lidikit nyo dyan. And then, magpuproceed kayo sa pier number 2. So, mga parts, very clear ha, ang registration ay sa pier number 1, ang onboarding is on pier number 2. Okay? So, I hope that's clear. Now, we're walking to pier number 2. Ganda naman ng Icon Siam. So mga parts, we're here at Pier 2. Tapat din siya ng Icon Siam. And ngayon, maaga pa kami. Meron na nag-onboard or dumadaong na yung isang luxury cruise dinner ship. Ayun, nakapila na sila. I think this is Meridian and Noah Cruise. So kami, we are Opulence. One of the best daw yon mga parts. Kaya abangan natin yan. Let's go! So mga parts, going here in Icon Siam, nag-book lang kami ng Grab kasi tatlo kami. Better you book a Grab going to the Icon Siam. Pag nag-book kayo ng cruise, dinner cruise, river cruise dito sa Icon Siam, mas maganda na mag-Grab na lang kayo, especially pag madami kayo. It's less hassle kasi medyo mahirap pumunta, traffic, etc. and all. So, less hassle. Mura lang naman yung Grab dito. And yun, and then, punta na kayo sa Pier 1 for registration. And then, Pier 2 for the onboarding naman. So, let's go. So, mga parts, we are now lined up here in the Opulence entrance. And while waiting, look, there is a symphony of lights and fountain here in front of the Icon Siam, which is very, very nice. So entertaining. Wow, look at that. Wow. mga parts. Andyan na yung opulence. Look at that. So elegant and so bombastic. Bombastic? Wow, ganda. Ganda. Wow. Ganda. Ganda ng opulence, mga parts. Mga parts, boarding na. Wow, look at the opulence. So mga parts, binook lang namin to sa Klook. The price is 2,900 per head. 2,900 din peso ha. So check nyo what will be the inclusions mga parts. So let's go. Sawadee Cup! Yeah, Sawadee Cup!
Sawadee Cup!
So tayo ay number 2. So may mga assignment
ค่ะ
na.
ขอดูตัวด้วยนะคะ MLC 29
Yan. So may mga parts, may table assignment naman siya. So huwag kayo mag-alala kasi hindi kayo mauunahan or mauubusan. For you, okay, thank you. Wow. We're here. Tingnan natin yung menu mga parts. So mga parts buffet ito, they have seafoods, grilled prawns. Wow! And of course, they have salad. Look at that. Oh, kimchi. Uy, looks yummy. Mga parts so far, parang ang sarap niya. Yan, no, ito na may mga desserts. Plenty of desserts. What I like about is the fruits. And I think they also have ice cream. Sarado pa dito, but yeah, madaming part. Dito kami sa part na to. Meron ditong live band later. Meron ding roof deck. Pero nandito kami sa upper deck. So lahat ng deck mga parts may buffet. Dito sarado pa eh. So later tutur natin yan. Uy, they also have coffee. I like it. So far, my God, parang sulat. Whew. Can't wait. Sobrang gutom na kami mga parts. So mga parts, meron din silang drinks. But this is, hindi na to kasama doon sa buffet. Just in case gusto nyo mag-order. Meron din silang wine menu. Yung prices ay 1,200 baht to 2,800 baht. Drinks, cocktails, may charge din. Hindi siya kasama dun sa buffet. Ayan, may mga additional. Ayan, beer, diba? Pero syempre, doon tayo sa libre mga parts. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga libre pa, okay?
Gentlemen, the safety floaters in case of emergency, and it is located
Siyempre, mga
by the
parts, may safety breathing
staircase
dapat.
left and right hand side, okay? As you can see here, this is how you use it. Slip the life jacket over your head, wrap the strap.
So mga parts, ito meron tayong rice, white rice, they have veggies, meatballs, they have, I like this one, parang fish, veggies. Kasi siya mga parts, international and Thai cuisine, baked macaron. Yeah. Yun pala yung yung label. French fries over there, and soup. We have potato and tom yum. And over here, pad thai. Dito yung ano, dun yung kabila yung international, dito yung... I think it's the same. Is it the same? Same, okay. Dun yung Japanese, dun yung Japanese. Okay. And over here, on the other side, it's the Japanese cuisine. Let's see. They have California maki. Oh, sushi and sashimi they have. Wow. And the juice and the drinks are over here. Oh, they have a lot. Okay. Mga parts, let's eat. So, syempre mga parts, let's start with Tom Yum. Let's start with Tom Yum. Ha?
Gutom na gutom ako.
Yeah. So, syempre nasa Thailand, Thai soup, Tom Yum. Up. And alam niyo mga parts, sobrang dami ng hipon. Hindi talaga siya tinipid. So, so and now mga parts, let's try the Japanese. They have also Japanese maki. Also good. So mga part, this is our first round. So I get veggies, rice, pad thai, macaroni, chicken. Actually madami, may fish pa doon, tsaka iba pa, pero ito lang kinuha ko. Let's taste. Tikman natin parts yung pad thai. Of course, we're in Thailand. Hot ng food, no? Harap. Mga parts, may steak. They have steak. Yeah, may steak. Parang sulit na part. Tikman natin yung steak na lang. Lambot. Yan. May steak sila parts. Parang sulit na to ah. So mga parts, we're here at the roof deck. And look naman mga parts, oh, yung view. Wow, it's a bridge. Meron din ditong buffet. Ayan mga parts, oh. And meron din ditong live band over there. Ooh. And look at that. The bridge, the famous bridge here in Bangkok. Yan. So, ikot na siya mga parts. Kasi 2 hours tong cruise. So, pabalik na siya ulit dun sa Pier 2. So, ngayon, ikutin naman natin yung mga view. Let's go. Mga parts dito din sa roof deck. Look, there is a bar over here with look at those alcohol. Oy, Jack, JD, Gentleman, Amaretto, Jim Beam, NEC, Regency, and also they have wines over here. Ooh! May charge na yung mga ibang wine, but yung drinks nyo is yung wine na 1 glass, complimentary. And dito yung buffet, and madami rin tao dito. Same lang yung menu. Okay. Kasi ito yung menu itsura ng buffet dito sa taas. Same lang naman, mahangin lang dito but basically it's the same. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. O meron din silang seafoods. Of course, nandiyan din yung coffee. And nandito naman yung buffet. Pero nakasarado kasi nga mahangin. Pero okay din dito. At saka, thank you Lord kasi we have a very, very good weather today. Hindi siya umuulan. So, kaya ang saya mag-cruise. Try nyo ito mga parts ha. And mga parts, dito yung Grand Palace. Wow. So, parang nag-tour ka na din. Although, yun nga, moving siya. So, yan, isa pang luxury dinner cruise. Luxury wise. Mga parts, dito naman sa right side yung What a Room. So, nandyan tayo ng first day. So, if you haven't watched that vlog, mga parts, please check that in my YouTube channel, my What a Room vlog. So, nag-costume din kami. Nag-rent kami ng photographer na din. And nag-rent din kami ng costume. So, kung gusto nyo rin gawin yan mga parts, in What a Room, panoorin nyo yan. And of course, mga parts, don't forget to subscribe. Okay? And mga parts for the finale, syempre may coffee, desserts, and they have Thai coconut ice cream. Let's taste this. Tikman natin, masarap daw to. Tapos, samahan natin ng coffee. And mga parts, nag-order din pala kami ng soap, soft drinks. May charge nga lang yan. And then they accept credit card. So mga parts, pwede rin kayo dito sa harap na cruise ship. Ayan o, meron din dito. Iba naman yung vibe dito. Party. Ganda. Mas konti dito yung tao. Ibang point of view naman, so pwede rin kayo dito. When it was like September, remember So, there you have it mga parts. Tapos na ating opulence experience. And what a way to end our experience here in the opulence. Nag-party kami with the Pinoy Band. Ang galing po nung kumakanta si ma'am. And so, we're nag-enjoy kami. It was a very, very good experience from the food, from the ambience, and from the people and the service and everything. Sobrang sulit mga parts. Yung nakita nyo naman yung dinner buffet, sobrang dami yung options. And of course, yung stop and create, sobrang din nila. Tapos ang dami ring selections and mga parts masarap yung food. To be honest, masarap siya. Hindi tinipid na parang, di ba usually pag sa mga buffet cruise, parang basta-basta na lang. Yung food nila, lahat masarap. For me, lahat masarap. Kompleto din, pork, chicken, fish, dessert, Japanese, may steak pa nga. And yun din, yung entertainment, it was very good for the price of 2,900 per head. It was very sulit na din. So mga parts, binook lang namin to sa Klook. If you want, you can also try that. And yung nakita nyo man kung paano mag-register and saan din kayo pupunta if ever. So ngayon mga parts ay we're done and hopefully ay makabalik tayo, matry ulit natin to. Please stay tuned to our next destination. Tomorrow we'll be going to Pattaya. So parts, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more vlogs here in Bangkok and here in Thailand. Please click like, share, and share to your friends, and of course comment down below if you have questions. And please follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, also at Biyahero Bong. So yun mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube video, stay safe and healthy. Bye!
We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention.